All right, everyone. Final break of the night. It is time for 2022 Panini Football XR. It is a fresh case, by the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to randomize. As you can see, it's a fresh case. So we're going to randomize left or right. Whoops. So let me open that. Whoa. So we're going to randomize which side we do. This is left, this is right. I guess, yeah, let's drop. Let me do the top seat. Magic. I have magic hands, guys. So we're going to randomize which side we're doing. Left or right.
And then the other side will be done tomorrow night, just so you guys know. So we will roll. We'll do 2 dice, and then we'll randomize left, right. Whatever side comes out on top, we'll break that for tonight's break. So we're going to go 4, 6, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are breaking the left side tonight.
All right, so put this away, sir. Break some left side stuff. All right, everyone, let's read some names. Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
All right, here we go. Break 429. Arizona Cardinals, Kyle B. Mallory's got the Falcons. Terry S. with the Ravens. Jim A. with the Bills. Travis with the Panthers. Tyler with the Chicago Bears. Anthony F. with the Bengals. Joshua with the Browns. Kaylee with the Cowboys. Nathan with the Broncos. Kelly with the Lions. Jared with the Packers. Joshua with the Texans. Terry with the Colts. William B. with the Jaguars. Andrew with the Chiefs. Granville with the Raiders. Brett with the Chargers. Christopher with the Rams. Justin with the Dolphins. Vikings. Nathan. Granville Patriots. Micah with the Saints. Joshua Giants. Zachary C. with the Jets. Matthew with the Eagles. Brian with the Steelers. Nathan 49ers. Dave K. with the Seahawks. Buccaneers going to Matthew D. Jared with the Titans. And Daniel with the Commanders. Congratulations to everybody who won their teams. Thank you so much for choosing Wax Zone to break with. Let's pull some fire. Good luck to everyone. Call out your teams. Call out your players. First time opening this for me. This year at least. It's 2 packs, huh? 2 packs. 2 packs. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Brandon Cooks. Jared Goff. Oh, okay. We'll come back to that. You got a nice exploit of Deebo Samuel. Nice card. Nice little acetate. Not numbered. Nope. That looks cool. We do have a Derek Carr to 199. 167 to 199. Gold. He's not gold, but I guess it's blue. Blue to 199 for Raiders. No longer, not for much longer. But from what I read, Buffalo Bills, Jalen Whittermeyer. Rookie red, 46 of 99 for the Buffalo Bills. And a Rashad White rookie for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Base rookie. We got Elijah Moore. Jameis Winston. And a Chicago Bears. Velus Jones. Congrats. Tyler to 99. 28 of 99. Nice little silver ink rookie. Luminous endorsement. Fatty. Chicago Bears. Velus Jones Jr. Congratulations, Tyler. Very nice. And a nice triple patch. Triple threat XR. Matt Corral. Blue. Nice. To 49. 29 of 49. Cool looking patch right there, man. That looks cool. And we do have Aaron Rodgers to 99 red. A George Pickens rookie for the Pittsburgh Steelers to 75. That's 68 of 75. George Pickens. And a Brian Cook for a KC rookie. Let's check out what a redemption is. Good luck, everyone. Ball. Panini XR. Rookie XL Swatch autographs. Number 14. Kenneth Walker, Seattle Supersonics. Also known as Seattle Seahawks, everybody. Congrats, Seattle. Kenneth Walker. Seattle. Yeah.
You were so sure.
Well, I was sure. Here you go, Seattle. All right. Let's move on. Box 2. Andrew's looking for some Chiefs. All right, here we go. Mitch Trubisky, Aaron Jones, and we have a James Cook. Nice rookie patch auto. 5 of 5. Congrats, Buffalo Jim. Congratulations. James Cook, 5 of 5. Green. That's awesome looking right there. Nice card. And we got a Drake London to 99 blue, rookie expose for Atlanta. Congrats, Atlanta. Mallory. We have a Cleveland Browns David Bell to 199 blue, rookie. There's a Chiefs Travis Kelce to 249 red. And a Channing Tindall, rookie for the Miami Dolphins. What's that?
I can't wait for the Kenneth Walker Sean Camp.
Oh, shut up, Travis. Oh, man.
Oh, that's
funny. Funny guy.
Love it.
Hunter Henry, XR. Tom Brady. Alec Pierce. To 10. 7 of 10. Alec Pierce for the Colts. Nice. Terry S., you got yourself a nice gold. 7 out of 10. Indianapolis. Rookie Alec Pierce. Silver ink auto. That's nice. And then we have a nice XR Andre Johnson Summit patch. The 25. 18 of 25 for Houston. That is Joshua. 18 of 25. Andre Johnson. We have a red Channing Tindall to 249 rookie. A Ty Chandler to 99 red rookie. And a James Cook again, base rookie. All right, these are nice cards, man. No?
Very nice, very nice.
Second half of this, by the way, guys and gals, is tomorrow. So if you're looking for the second half of this, it will be both from the fresh case. It will be tomorrow. Call out your teams. Call out your players. It works. It helps. It's more fun. Daniel Jones. Jordan Brooks. And we got a Sauce. Rookie patch auto for Zachary to 149. 96 of 149 Sauce. A 299 Brian Robinson Jr. Extreme Rookies Blue for Washington. And Kyler Murray to 199. That's 124 to 199 blue.
Andrew needs to see some Chiefs.
Chiefs, got it. Zamir White to 249 red for the Raiders. And for the Titans, we have Hassan Haskins, base rookie. And wants some Chiefs. Any particular Chief there?
Yeah.
Pacheco, that's right. He wants Pacheco. That's right. Jair Alexander, Cortland Sutton. I got it. I got you. And let's see a Jammo or a Hutch. Okay. I think Kelly's got Detroit. We got a Jake Ferguson, Dallas Cowboys to 49 rookie auto red. There you go, Dallas. Kaylee. And we have a X-ray Trayvon Walker for the Jaguars. 27 of 49 patch, X-ray patch. Jamar Chase, red to 249. Cam Akers to 75. As they call the silver. 44 of 75 for the Rams. And a Christian Watson base rookie. We're looking for Pacheco and Aiden Hutchinson. Oh, that Rudy Tooty, Fresh and Fruity, bro. It's calling our name. All right, so let's get after it, guys. Come on. George Kittle, Marquise Brown, Hollywood Brown, Breece Hall for the Jets for Zachary. Another patch, rookie patch auto, blue this time. 1 of 35. Congrats, Zachary. Breece Hall, rookie patch auto, blue. Garrett Wilson also for the Jets. Nice little rated R. Not numbered this one, I guess. That looks so cool, man. These acetates. And then we have Ryan Tannehill to 99 red for the Titans. A Michael Thomas silver to 75, 22 to 75 for the Saints. And a rookie of Jahan Dotson for the Commanders. All right. Mateo wants a Pacheco for his boy. All right. Russell Wilson. CeeDee Lamb. A Zonovan Knight auto for the Jets again for Zachary. That's 78 of 199. Rookie auto of Zonovan Knight. And we have a Sky Moore to 10. There's a Kansas City Chief. Sky Moore X Factor material. 9 of 10. Congrats. KC. Andrew. Sky Moore rookie patch. X Factor gold. Yeah, you got it, Jim. That's beautiful. To 5. We're going to do a recap, but that's a beautiful card. There's a Dak Prescott to 49. It's like an aqua, I guess. And a blue Traylon Burks for Tennessee. That's to 199. And a Kenny Pickett Pittsburgh Steelers base rookie. Yeah, it was a beautiful cook. Let's go, Andrew. That's right. Love the energy, man. You're welcome here anytime. You don't even have to be in the break. Stop on by. Spread the love. Spread the energy. Like I said, guys and gals, tomorrow's the second half of this. Derrick Henry. Kadarius Toney. Eric Ezukanma. That's a rookie patch auto right there to 75 red. 9 of 75. Except, 9 of 75, yeah. Triple patch. Congrats, Miami. It's Easy E, as they call him. Justin K. Nice patch. We got a to 149 John Mechie rookie for the Texans. 124 to 149 red extreme rookie. Danny Gray silver 41 to 75 for San Francisco 49ers. Leonard Fournette for Tampa Bay blue to 199. And a Houston Texans Jalen Petrie rookie XR base rookie. I say, well, what does it say on the card?
What?
Kadarius Toney.
Which card is that?
I just gave you. I just like last 2 cards. Kadarius Toney. It's probably a base, maybe.
I'll find it.
Maybe it wasn't a base, but they just pulled him. Oh wait, I got him right here. Sorry, Giants. Yeah, it's New York Giants. That's why you can't find him. It goes to whoever the team is on the card. So, Darius Toney is New York Giants. Mitch Trubisky again. Aaron Jones. And a Cortland Sutton Gamers. That's 11 of 49. Broncos versus Colts, October 27, 2019. 11 of 49, Cortland Sutton Patch Auto Gamers. All right. Followed by a patch of Breece Hall, rookie patch for New York Jets. Zachary, 39 of 75. X-ray patch. Drake London to 199 blue. Matthew Stafford to 249 red. And a George Karlaftis, Kansas City rookie base. Right. 2 more boxes. What's up, Nate? Thanks for joining. If you guys are new, please like, follow, subscribe. We break all sorts of stuff. Football, baseball, Formula One, basketball, WNBA, you name it. Thanks for joining us tonight. All right, here we go. There's a T-Law, Antonio Gibson, a David Bell rookie patch auto to what is it? 72 of 149 for the Cleveland Browns. David Bell patch auto. A Drake London for Atlanta, extreme blue to 99, 58 to 99. Hunter Henry for the Patriots, 216 of 249 OG red. Kyle Hamilton red rookie, 58 of 99 for the Baltimore Ravens. And a Jamison Williams base rookie for Detroit Lions. Steve Nash. I think I have pulled it's like a Steve Nash auto out of Flawless or something, but not any rookies or anything like that. Rashad Penny, Justin Jefferson, a Miles Sanders for Philadelphia patch auto out of 49. 1 of 49. First one off the line, Gamers. Miles Sanders, November 30th, 2020. Must have had a game. Miles Sanders patch auto. And a Chris Olave triple threat for New Orleans Saints from Micah. That is to 75, 45 of 75. We got Charleston Rambo to 249 red for Panthers. A Carson Strong blue for Eagles to 199. And a Kyron Williams rookie for LA Rams. All right. Come on, final box. Like I said, second half of this case tomorrow night, guys. Andrew's like, please, God, Pacheco. I will do my best, sir. Not tonight. Hopefully you can try back tomorrow.
For those of you that picked up spots in the NBA Hoops random team, probably won't sell out. So we'll break that tomorrow.
We will break it tomorrow. Devontae Smith, Justin Herbert, Chris Olave. Nice patch auto. Look at that patch. New Orleans Saints, 13 of 49. Just off his jersey. Chris Olave, nice rookie patch auto. Congrats. And Garrett Wilson for the Jets out of 149 red. Impending greatness. Jordan Davis for the Eagles, silver to 75. A Jalen Waddle, blue to 199. And a rookie of Kennedy Brooks, Philadelphia Eagles. All right, here we go. Final pack. Let's go. Zach Wilson. Travis Etienne. Kyle Hamilton. Gold, 6 of 10 for Baltimore Ravens. Terry S. Baltimore Ravens, Kyle Hamilton auto rookie, 6 of 10. Congratulations. And Kelly, we did get a nice patch for Detroit. Jamison Williams, 16 of 75. There you go. Big old patch. And we did get a Christian Harris out of 199 blue for Texans. A Micah Parsons for the Cowboys to 249 red. And finally, a Chicago Bears, Kyler Gordon. All right, let's recap. Patches, autos. Let's do some patches. Stinking patches. 16 of 75, Jamison Williams for Detroit. A triple threat, Chris Olave to 75 for St. Louis. I'm sorry, New Orleans, not St. Louis. A Breece Hall for the Jets to 75, X-ray patch. A Sky Moore for KC out of 10, X Factor materials. A Jacksonville Jaguars Trayvon Walker to 49 patch. A nice Houston Texans to 25 Summit patch. And a triple thread of Matt Corral to 49 blue. Our autos were for Seattle, Kenneth Walker, rookie XL Swatch auto. A Kyle Hamilton to 10 for Baltimore. A patch auto, rookie patch auto to 49 of Chris Olave. We have a Miles Sanders patch auto to 49. David Bell patch auto to 149 for Cleveland. A patch auto of Cortland Sutton to 11 out of 49. Eazy-E patch, rookie patch auto, 9 of 75 for Miami. We have a Zonovan Knight auto, 78 of 199 for the Jets. Breece Hall rookie patch auto for the Jets to 35 blue. We have a Jake Ferguson red to 49 for Dallas auto. A Sauce rookie patch auto to 149 for the Jets. A Alec Pierce to 10. 7 of 10 for Indianapolis Luminous endorsements rookie autograph. And this gorgeous, but we'll do to 99 Luminous endorsements, Velus Jones rookie autograph for Tyler's Chicago Bears. And this gorgeous 5 of 5 James Cook rookie patch, triple patch auto for Buffalo. All right, guys and gals, thank you so much. Hopefully we can see you guys tomorrow. Otherwise, enjoy your Friday night. Thanks, Tyler. Thanks, everyone. Andrew, Kelly, everyone who joined us. Nate, have a great night.
Good night, everyone. Thank you. And once again, we'll break that random team hoops break tomorrow night. We're pretty sure we'll sell that one out. Thank you all.